Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable conversion tracking in Google Ads for SEO leads, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable conversion tracking in Google Ads for SEO leads, start by logging into your Google Ads account. Navigate to the Tools and Settings menu located in the top right corner. In the drop-down, click on Conversions under the Measurements section. Next, click the blue plus button to add a new conversion action. Select Website as the source for your conversions. Fill in the relevant details for your conversion action under the Conversion Names section. Choose the category that best describes your conversion, such as lead or sign up. Set the value of the conversion if applicable, or select Use the same value for each conversion for uniformity. Specify how to count conversions, choosing between every or one depending on your tracking goal. Adjust the conversion window based on how long you want to track conversions after an interaction. Optionally, you can set up an attribution model which determines how credit for conversions is assigned. Once all the necessary fields are filled, click on Create and Continue. Follow the prompts to get the conversion tracking tag code. You will need to add this code to your website's backend or use Google Tag Manager. If using Google Tag Manager, create a new tag and choose Google Ads Conversion Tracking as the tag type. Paste the conversion ID and label from the previous step into the respective fields. Configure the trigger to fire on the page where the conversion occurs, like a thank you page or confirmation page. Save the tag and publish the changes in Google Tag Manager. Return to your Google Ads account and ensure the conversion action is listed. It may take some time for conversions to begin appearing in your reports. Once set up, you can analyze your conversion data to measure the effectiveness of your SEO leads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.